Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Golden Arrows 1. It's MTN 8 first leg semi-final. My brother, how's it?
Ndaba msongo barmi.
Ndovuka barmina.
Ndione man. Yeah, game ndoyibona ne. So ndikubona ngari Sundown yatamba nga indira. Ndikubona ichikobva kakao kakhapu ndikuona vakodhinja nga nthani uri khadhoso ndikuvona ungari ukufanisa no builder man ungari kunyanga thoma builder imwe Sundown ine yavori aichava ya last season. Sundown last season yove right ichikodzhia na cafe mini nga so zori unochincha mini achincha the starting line up andikuvona ungari Pirates na Golden Arrows ka final because of it's going to be difficult for Sundown to beat Golden Arrows 3-0 or 2-0 away. So Golden Arrows na yoni do make sure uri iko yokora ka home ground yayo kana za draw or not, meaning is if it's a draw not meaning is Pirates and Golden Arrows cards final. So
depending on Pirates yo win nayo.
All right. I think Pirates do win man. Already you gonna win Peter Mkaba and then
old Peter Mkaba.
That stadium is difficult to play.
Yeah, exactly.
And now you got Amstel. So very esgodi. So adiko gari Paris do idoka final. Idoka final na Golden Arrows. Unless
and then the one you go win that final.
Final and go na Golden Arrows go do giant cup. But Sundown the chances already anga zama uchincha line up ina kuishumisa zvino ashumisa line up ya previously ya last year ya batambi ba quality ndibona ngari maybe inga bana chances yori I win maybe 3-1 mara already ashumisa this line up yenoni ine kuishumisa zvino ine iko bako zamu combine batambi andikubona ngari ingasiluka and other things last game ya Sundown Loftus
na Marumo Gallants
dzifeni za Sundown dzikolira ngamanda nga VAR ori vakhonyanga VAR ukuraiwa vatambi kadzifield mini mudra oraiwa and then player angopiwa yellow card. So but to my understand VAR asimutu VAR is like a machine is operate operate ngamutu. So already vatu vanako operator VAR vorengiwa nga timu auna zvina dozviita unless if VAR yova ichishuma nga imwe nzira ine yavori ikoto the operator yone self mara VAR ikoto operate ngamutu. So VAR yanga the South Africa ndibona ngari ido chinya bola ya South Africa zvinenda ko blame zvone South Africa ndidze referee. Referee the referee za South Africa as right dzikoto dzibuyele entuni training again because aranga check okay arajena ka VAR ne. All right, I can go back to game ya Sundown and TS Galaxy. Sundown ichiko wina 3-2. 3-2. Sundown yokora the second ball it was offside. And number 3 border over ediwa 3 minutes. 3 minutes it was finished already. Yakoranga for minutes. So meaning arali over una VAR meaning Sundown yedova yeliwa 2-1.
no na TS Galaxy yo kora nga offside.
Yeah, arali TS Galaxy yo kora nga offside zikwamba zori bola yo dova game yo dova I 1-1 I draw. Yeah, so game ya Kaizer Chiefs and Sundown kunika ora ya muthu nga murahu. Yes, is supposed to get red card. Mara red card yelani ufuna akopiwa nga referee not nga VAR.
Yeah, mara remember the referees, they see it once and they didn't get the second chance, to review it.
Right.
If there was a VAR, they were going to review it and say, no,
yes,
let's overrule the yellow card and give me a red card.
So referee achiko refa ground uni uva anadzi assistant zawe the lineman mini it's a group of refereeing there
officials, yeah.
Official. So mushumo was official olandimini mushumo was official ubashumo u assist referee. Yes, so arali bachiko shumo u assist referee ndibona mana kuti ba communicate na referee referee that decision is wrong.
Bako fail about.
Bako fail about. That is why ndiko bathu bothe bazi referee bako to babuyele training again. No, because I don't see any use your resume VAR South Africa.
Yeah.
Ngore VAR ingari tusa only if una mistake on the 18 area.
Yeah.
Or bora yokoranga offside or una foul ngangoma 18 area. Yeah, something like that. Not a foul inekuitiwa ngangom ground una zi referee. Yeah. Una zi referee mushumo referee ndi mean.
Udoluka my brother.
Yeah, so ndiko libo bongo.
Nda. Itala.